All right. So, Pauline, I was saying something. I said, have you been following all this well?
Okay, not really actually because I've been trying to follow, but the place I was, the network was bad, so I couldn't join any call or anything.
Wow. You and Mr. Raymond, you have the same the same condition. Okay, that's nice. So, have you been able to listen to any of the recorded classes?
Not yet.
It's still the same reason.
Yeah, but this evening after the call, I'll go through.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Are you connected with your PC,
My PC.
like laptop,
No, it's phone.
his phone? Okay. Do you have a laptop with you there?
No.
Okay. All right. Thank you. You can mute your
Okay.
mic. Miss Tim Tokwe, I'll mute your mic. You're the only one that give us heads up on what you did last.
You said
I said, hey, Jesus, it entered my ear. All right. So I said, give us a brief summary of what we did in the last class.
yeah, you were introducing the Power BI, showing us the interface, how it looks like, how each functions, what it stands for, and what it's work for, what is working for.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
That's okay.
And you asked us to
Thank you.
download this. Mm.
Okay. Okay. Where are your people?
That's why I'm wondering. I don't know what's happening.
That is, all right. Thank you. Thank you for the
That,
feedback.
all right.
You want to say something?
No, I'm trying to say I've dropped a reminder on the platform. I don't know.
All right. All right. Thank you. Thank you for that. Mr. Mayowa. Is it Mr. Mayowa Adeyemo?
Yes, it's Mr. Mara
Ah,
there.
thank you, Jesus. All right.
Good evening, sir.
Well done, sir. I think
Yes, sir.
good evening. The last class
Yes, sir.
you're having network glitches.
Yes, my network was bad. That's last class, but I was able to listen to
Okay.
the recorded one, and
Recorded class.
I
Okay.
really gained a
That's
lot.
nice.
Yeah. So you introduced
All
to
right. All right.
us what is Power BI. You told us the functions. You just show us the interface of the Power BI, and then
All
you
right.
said
All right.
today we will continue with it. So I really enjoyed the class.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank
Thank you.
you. Yes, sir.
Regards to the baby.
Thank you.
All right. All right. I'm happy to hear Mr. Mayowa's voice. I want to say that Mr. Mayowa. All right. So we'll be diving in today. Please, it is better you do these things with your system. Let me confirm. Let me confirm. Cancel. Mr. Mayowa, are you connecting with your system? Do you have a system there with you?
Yes, yes, I have a system with me.
All right. That's very good. That's very good. Miss Tim, talk to you have a system with you. Pauline, I don't have a system. And Mr. Raymond, do you have a system with you there? Mr. Raymond, is this there? He's there now. Mr. Raymond, Mr. Raymond, can you hear me? Okay, using something. All right. So, Paulina, you can download Power BI on your mobile app. You can download Power BI on your mobile app. But the issue is this: you have to have a Microsoft account, Microsoft email, to be able to log in with it to it. Do you get what I'm saying? So just go to your Play Store or wherever, Apple Store, if you are using iPhone, and tap Power BI. Microsoft Power BI. It's the same symbol. You see the symbol when I start sharing my screen. Do you get that, Paulina? Paulina, do you get that?
Yes, yes,
All
thank
right,
you.
all right. And you can also listen to the recorded class. I showed a breakdown, but the one I showed was on PC. Was on PC.
Okay.
All right, all right. So, hey, I want to connect them. I'm supposed to connect. I'm supposed to connect. Okay, good. All right. So, I want to share my screen now, please. Let me confirm. Do we all have the Power BI installed? Just confirm with emoji. Okay, okay. All right, all right. Thank you. Okay, I'll give it back. Okay, so no Power BI. This is why it's fast like this because I already loaded it before. Now, once you load it, this no, I don't think this one will have. Let me close it and load it. Okay, this one will have it. Let's see. Cancel. So it's almost that time. And we're having something like this. This is what we're meant to be having initially. Then click on blank reports. You have this interface. Can we all see it? All right, all right, thank you. So we have different type of data. We have different type of data. We have different type of data, like we've been seeing since the beginning of this class, that data can come in different type, different format. So the one I sent to us is comma separated values. That's CSV. CSV are comma separated values. It's just as if you go to your notepad and start putting comma in every of the thing you type. What's going on? What is going on? I did not type it. What's wrong with you? Are you working now? Scary. Sorry, I'm on my Pavia. Okay, cancel. Let's see. Okay, I have one now. Because if I'm running multiple tabs on it, it's like to lag. So I said the data sets we have can come in different formats. So the one I sent to the group is in CSV. CSV means comma separated value. Comma separated value. It's just as if you literally go to your notepad, then you start imputing every data set. You impute so, then you press comma. You put so, then you press your comma. You impute so, then you put your comma. It's just comma separated. The separating value is comma. So if you bring it into some Excel, like 2021 Excel, 365 Excel, you bring into the Excel. In fact, if you save it on your PC, it's going to read it directly as Excel sheet. It's going to read it directly as the Excel sheet. And how does it read it? So for instance, okay, let me open it here. Let's be fast, be fast. It's not here again. See, okay. Once open it to notepad, okay, you can even see it here. Open with notepad. Exactly. Exactly. We can see it now. So it's going to read everything under this order. One, this is the first column, column 1, column A, column B, column C, column D, column E, column MF, column G, column H, column 1, column J. So this under column 1, we have order ID. We have 001, 1002, 1003, like that. Under A, we have order date. Can we see it? So it's in that format. So if you load it up to Excel now, Excel will just help you read it as table like that. So just insert every one of them in their column straight. So if you open it also in Power BI, Power BI to read it as table. Power BI read any table, even if it is in PDF. It can read it. It can even extract it from your website, from the website. It can extract data set from the website. Probably you want to analyze about something or a data that you saw on the website. You can copy the link of the website and import it. So let me first show us how to import. Adding means an Excel file. Just click on import. Pick your Excel file, then import it. But what the one we'll be using is a CSV file. So it's not an Excel file. So you just come here, get data. See text/CSV. Click on it. This is it. This is it on my PC. Then open it. So once it's open like this, the next thing you go to is transform data. Do we get it? Do we get it before I proceed? Okay. I need another thumbs up. Do we get it? If we don't get it, can you mute your mic and tell me to go over it again? Are we good to go? Are we good? Starting with my task. Ademiku, are we good?
Yes, we are good.
All right, all right. So then we go to transform data. Transform data means we cannot clean any data here. Like I said, the only place we clean is Power Query. So you click on transform data, it's going to go to Power Query straight. But then I also want to show us how to import from internet. For example, if you want to get a data set from internet, for example, let's say we want to work on a data set that talks about the population of USA. Let's say the population of the world. Population of the world. Let's see. Let's use this Wikipedia. Okay. We are looking for a table. So this one table here, we don't need this table. We need something that talks about country and their population. This is continent and their population. Like it, I want country. That was populous country. Yes, I don't like this one. I want population of all the countries. This is the population of the world from 1990, what? 1951. I don't want this one. Let me see. Okay, let's start with Africa. Let's do Africa. So it's not giving me country. I want country and population. Okay, Africa countries. Let's just pick up Wikipedia also. Okay, I think I like this. I love this. So let's use this. So for instance, this table is what we want to use as for our analysis. So we'll go back to our import, get data from web. This thing means you should enter the URL. So just come here, copy this, Ctrl C, then come back here, press Ctrl V. While doing this, we must ensure that your internet is on. And you wait for it to load. Just wait. Right. So watch closely. It's going to check that page and bring out every of the tables there. Every of the tables. Okay. You can see I have different tables. So this is to check the one we are looking for. See, this is the one we are looking for. This is another table. Can you see any form of table that is on that page? It's going to bring it up out. So if this is the only one we are going for, just click on this one, then click transform. Whichever data set you want to do, once you are bringing to Power BI, first click on transform. Unless you are very, very sure that it does not need any cleaning again. Even if it does not need cleaning, you still have to go and check it whether it does not need it. Do we get it? So let's come back here and come back to the one we were doing before. All right. Transform. All right. This is Power Query Editor. Let me do this one. All right. So there are some things that you cannot do here. I can do in Excel. In the context of if you make any mistake here, the number of undo you can do is very limited. It's just 2. Control Z, Control Y does not work here. It doesn't. So if you make any mistake while doing and you've made the mistake like 3 times, you cannot go back to the original more than twice. Okay, let's start. Number one, let's talk about this. We have distinct here. We have unique here. So what Power BI does is that it helps you with a little bit of analysis. Valid data here is 100%, error 0, empty 0. So you first ensure that this thing is 100%. Every of it is 100%. So it's very clean actually. Just need little touch, little touch. Okay. So this one now valid is 2. Error 0%. Empty set is 98%. So valid is a cell that has data. Okay. So we also have distinct and unique. Please listen closely. Distinct and unique. Distinct is just the count of all the data set that we have. All the data sets, even if data set is repeated. Do you understand? Even if it is repeated, even if probably in this data set, there's just one repeated value there. There's one repeated value there. Then you can see it here. Because I've cleaned it before. So there's one repeated value there. So, and that's why we have 52 distinct and 51 unique. That is, on this data set, we have one repeated value. Distinct count is the total number of cells that has value. Let's just count the total number of cells that has value. Now, see the count of this one now. Distinct is 2. That is, number 1 is the cell that have value. Number 2 is all the cells that do not have value. Scan them as well. Send them that information here. Scan them as well. All right. Sorry about that. So, distinct is to count the total number of cells. That's something inside or something inside. It does count everything. So far, it is in the range of that table. Distinct. Unique. That is just to count only the unique values. That is, if this guy sees 2 numbers, probably we have apple, banana, plantain, banana. Apple, banana, plantain, banana. Distinct, we count it as 4. You see 4 in the distinct. But unique, we count as 3. No, it's going to count as 2. Because it's going to exclude that 2, that one that is repeated. It's going to exclude it. It's not going to count it at all because it's not a unique value. Do we get it? Or should I come again? Do we get the or should I come again? Okay, we get it. That comes up means we get it. All right, beautiful. That means we get that. So let's continue, please. The first thing we want to do is that we want to delete this row. We want to delete it because it's irrelevant. 1, A, B, C does not make sense. We want to delete it. So just come here, click on it, then remove row, remove top row. Row 1. It says I say the number of the row. Row 1. Shakam. Are we good to go? Should I continue? All right. Beautiful. Okay. The next one is that we want to make this. This is supposed to be the title. Supposed to be the header. So we want to make this the header. You just come here again. Rows. Okay. There's nothing to come here. Let's just say use first row as column header. This is it here. Let me open this page so you can see it. Use first row as column header. Use first row as column as header. Can we see it? Okay. What again? If you notice this guy here, we don't need it. Where's that J guy? It's still there. We don't need it. So just click on it and remove column. Can you see it? Now this is what I was talking about, that we cannot press undo. Probably we are not supposed to move that column, or we are not supposed to change this guy's to header. We cannot press Ctrl Z to go back. All we can do is that we can uncheck this, we can uncheck this, and we cannot uncheck this. Wow. We can now uncheck it. Wow. That's beautiful. Wow. Formally, we cannot uncheck it. We cannot change. We cannot uncheck more than twice. Okay, I upgraded my Power BI. Yes. Okay, so let's do everything that we did again, because we cannot bring it back. We can't. That one I'm sure of. We cannot bring it back. There's nothing like Ctrl Z, Ctrl Y. So I have to do everything again. Click on it. Remove rows. Remove top row. One. Okay. Show count. User header. Very good. This is then this last one I delete. Remove. Let's just click on remove column. Okay. So we can proceed from here. What other thing do we have to do? We have to remove duplicate. We have to remove duplicate. To remove duplicate, just press Ctrl, put your Ctrl down to select all. You can just remove the duplicate from all. Okay. So I've already clicked on everything. Then I go to my remove duplicate on my rows. Go to remove duplicate. Then you see now we have 50 distinct and 50 unique. I thought that is one of the data that is the same. Are we good? Should I continue? All right. Thank you. Okay, this is where you change your data type. This is where you check your data type. This place. This place. This is where you change your data type. You change your data type. So if you look at this guy, we have both the time and the date. So we have to separate the time and the date. We have to separate the time from the date. So all you do is click on it, then go to your split to column. It's still under this place, split to column by delimiter. So you can split to column by different condition, but this one is by delimiter. And what does it mean of delimiter? Delimiter means a separating factor. If you check very well, what separates this date from the time? Someone should answer. What separates the date from the time?
Space.
Space. Thank you. Space. Space. So space is the delimiter. You just click by delimiter. Normally it's in custom. Just put your space there. Space. And press OK. That's what happened. It already creates other dates 1 and other dates 2. So I don't want this one to be other date. I want to be other time. Time for order. Time of order. Let's like that. Time of order. Then other dates. I don't want this one to have one. That's other date. Now this one I want to change data type to just time. And I'll change this one to not. So just date. Okay. Hey, look at another one. We have one that it actually did three data sets. Because our AMT is also part of this. It was /AM. So what we do is that let's just delete this. Okay. I just press delete. You can press normal delete to delete. Okay. So we have order ID, order date, time of order, customers, product, category, quantity, unit price, total amount, sales rep, and region. So let's say if I want to push my sales rep to the front, I want it to be the first. So all I have to do is just click on it and carry it. I want the sales rep to be at the front. I'll just click on the sales rep, then drag it. That's what I'm doing. Can you see it now? Now our sales rep in front. So we can also rearrange the order of the table or the structure of the table. So once you are done with every of your cleaning, there's no any other cleaning that we need to do here. But we notice everything is just 12 p.m., 12 p.m., 12 p.m. So once you are done with the cleaning, you can come back home and press close and apply. Close and apply. Let's wait for it. All right, you can see it here now. If you uncheck now, you can see the columns that we have. And these ones are in numerical data set. That's why we're having E at the front because they're numerical. Okay. So we'll stop here for now. Press Control Save. And make sure you save it too. So you can pick the location. I want to save on my desktop. So I'll save it. All right. So before I close it, any question? Any question? All right. Do we get it? All right. So that's all we have for today. Please do everything we've done. Make a screenshot of what you have. Send to your drive. Upload it to your link. Share the link of the drive to me. Then upload everything to your LinkedIn and tag. So whichever place you're uploading to, you can tag from Novatech. So thank you so much for tonight. God bless you. And I remember my humble self, Francis. Have a nice day. Good night, rest.